Alright, welcome back. So, this is the follow-up to that lecture, and there's something very specific I wanted to show you guys about this that's going to be a huge time saver later on when you're doing projects. So, if you did all this correctly, you should have a whole bunch of elevation markers over here in your project browser. And one of the things that you typically have to do is you have to go in and format those. And so far the instructions I've given you would be to go to visibility graphics right here, cycle through, and so for example, we don't want to see the level marker on this elevation for the type of work that we're going to be doing. So I would go to annotation categories, and then I would find levels right here, uncheck it, and then hit apply, and it's going to turn it off for that one, which sucks because now I go to another one and I have to do the same thing over and over and over again. So there is a shortcut to that that will save you a grip of time. So let me kill that. I'll kill the 3D view, kill that. Alright, so let me just tile this out real quick so you can see what's going on. Alright, so got a couple of these. Yeah, and this is another case too where like you've got the section cut marker. We don't want to see that. What's behind me? We've got that. Got that. We got that. All right. So we've got all these, and there's these level markers, or in this case right here, we've got that section cut. We don't want to see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the level one right here, and then I'm going to go down to identity data right here, and there's an option for view template. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. Right now it says none. In some cases it could say something else. Still, that's the thing you want to click on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on architectural elevation here, and I'm going to apply it, and it's going to default back to what it was. It default applies that and just doesn't show that. What I'm also going to do here is I'm going to change this scale to 1/4 inch right here. Actually, sorry, just follow my own procedure. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So, get out of so this is the one we'll be using for this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the scale to 1/4 inch. I'm going to go back into the annotation, and I'm going to turn off, let's see here, we want to turn off the levels, we want to turn off the section, there it is, sections, and let's leave that for now, and then I'm going to apply that one to just this first one. Alright, so it's cleaned that one up, but we still have these other 500 left of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this top one, I'm going to hold down shift on the keyboard, I'm going to click on that so I have all my elevations selected. I'm going to right click and I'm going to do apply view template. And then I'm going to find this first one that we just made right here, and I'm going to do apply properties. And you can see that it updated all of those drawings at that moment. So that's a huge time saver if you have, for example, 200 or 300 elevations that you need to update. That takes that process down to a minute instead of a day. So very helpful thing. This is its own lecture. This is just what I wanted to show you guys. This works for all the views. So when you go to this, if I go to my floor plans, you can get view templates in this area too, for various things. If I go, so they apply to the specific type of drawing. It's not a unique thing, or well, it's unique to the type of thing that you're viewing. So you can apply them to different things, which is what makes them super helpful. All right. So keep those in mind for later on in the semester, but this is a excellent time for you guys to learn that now. Don't worry about doing that for the milestone. I'm more focused on getting you guys to put the markers in there for various things. All right, so that's this demo. See you guys in class.